All right, so if you're interested, She Buys It Live is November 6th through the 9th. But on November the 10th, the doors to this church out here in Coreyton, Tennessee will be open to you. I would love for you to come to She Buys It Live. I would love for you to learn all about buying houses and buying apartments and buying money and buying vacation rentals. But I want you to come to church with me also, because it's not just about the money, girls. It's not about the freedom. It's about you being a whole person. And I can't invite you to Knoxville and not invite you to church with me. My pastor's in there preaching right now, and we can step in here and you can hear him.
For the love of God, even when the world would call him insane, he knew about the love of God. Even when they didn't understand him, even whenever the psychiatrist couldn't describe him, even whenever the doctors couldn't do anything for him, he knew what the love of God was. Could we, with the ocean feel? He said, I'm telling you, the love of God is greater than anything you and I have ever known. Would you like to experience that love?
I would like for you to come experience church with me. All right, and maybe that's too much. Maybe 4 days with me is plenty. But I do want you to know that from my heart and soul, I want you to come to Knoxville. I want you to come to She Buys It Live. And last year, Sheila and Wayne came to church with me. I would love to have this church packed out on November the 10th from the ladies at She Buys It Live wanting to come to church. Y'all, please come on. Feel very welcome. We would love to have you here. Get your ticket to She Buys It Live. Church is free. Go to SheBuysItLive.com, and if I need to, I will come pick everybody up from the hotel and drive y'all out here to Coreyton. I can't wait to see you in November. Bye, y'all.